Second type of compounding is pressure compounding. In pressure compounding steam turbine, nozzle, mobile blade, nozzle, mobile blade, nozzle, mobile blade alternately arranged. A set of nozzle and mobile blade is called a stage. The pressure compounding steam turbine is looking the combination of number of simple impulse turbines. Pressure compounding impulse turbine is also called Ratte turbine. The steam is entering to the nozzle under high pressure with low velocity. While the steam is passing through the nozzle, pressure of the steam is decreasing. Pressure of the steam is decreasing. That drop of pressure is an indication of drop of enthalpy. The drop of enthalpy is causing for increasing the flow velocity. It means while the steam is passing through the nozzle, pressure of the steam is decreasing. Due to drop of pressure, velocity increases. With that high velocity, steam is entering to the mobile blade section. While the steam is passing between the two mobile blades, the velocity of the steam decreases. It means the energy is transferring from steam to blade. Because of that, the velocity decreases. But pressure remains constant in the mobile blade section because in case of impulse turbines, the blades are arranged to have the uniform area of the flow. Area of the flow remains constant. And in the nozzle section, after expansion of the steam in the blades, it is made to pass through the again nozzle. This may be the blade arrangement, but blades are arranged like a converging passages. Therefore, this arrangement is looking like a converging passage for increasing the flow velocity. That means by the time the steam is passing through the nozzle section, pressure of the steam is dropping. The drop of pressure is an indication of drop of enthalpy. The drop of enthalpy is causing for increasing the velocity. With that high velocity, the steam is made to pass through the mobile blade section. Because of the expansion in the mobile blade section, the velocity of the steam is dropping, but pressure remains constant. After expansion of the steam in the mobile blade section, the steam is made to pass through another nozzle section where the pressure of the flow decreases. The drop of pressure is an indication of increase in velocity. That means by the time the steam is passing through the nozzle section, velocity increases. With that high velocity, the steam is again made to pass between the two rotor blades where the energy is transferring from steam to blade. Because of the energy transfer, the velocity of the steam decreases. With this velocity, the steam is left to the condenser called back velocity. The back velocity, by the time the steam is passing in the blade section, pressure remains constant. With this back pressure, the steam is left to the condenser. That is how the pressure and velocity are changing in case of Ratte turbine or pressure compounding steam turbine.